Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required to verify the trust of the developer. So if you see any kind of option related to any app you have recently installed on your iPhone, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and before you start, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to general, and this time you have to click on software update, and here you have to make sure that you have to install the latest iOS version on your iPhone. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply make sure that you have installed the app from the app store officially. But if you do not have installed the app from the official app store, then this will show an error like that. So if you want to enjoy your apps without any problem, then you have to make sure that you have installed the apps from the app store. But if you have already installed it from the app store and the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply uninstall the app, and you have to simply go to the app store, and then you have to simply search for that app again, and after that you have to download and install the app again. And if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to simply connect to the Apple support, and here what you have to do, you have to simply explain the problem to Apple support, and you have to ask for the solution of the problem. So after that your problem will be solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.